Do you want to know how to create these amazing fitness remix reels like this and like this? Well, keep watching till the end of the video and I'll show you exactly how to do this and why you should do it as a group exercise instructor or fitness professional. Well, right now, if you are trying to grow your Instagram account using the functionality called Reels is the way forward, because it's a new feature, Instagram allowing your account to get so much more reach and engagement. If you have 10 followers, 50 followers, 5,000 followers, 100,000 followers, when you make a post, you find that not too many of your followers see it. And it's very difficult to get discovered on Instagram unless you use a reel. Chances are when you do use a reel and you add the right music and the caption and you share it all around your networks, more of your followers are going to see that. Probably nearly everyone's going to see that, and it will end up on the explore page. So you will be discovered by potentially more new clients and customers. So it's a win-win to really double down and use this function right now. Now, recently, another addition to the Reels feature is the remix, which is like this, where you can find any account that has enabled the remix function to do a duet on your post, and it's very simple to do. So find someone that's doing a workout challenge or something that you really enjoy. Now you can make this really comical, like Mel did when she remixed my plank by eating yogurt. Check it out. So you don't have to twin with that account. You could do something really different and really innovative and really funny, and that's going to help explode that post. So when you've found an account that you would like to remix, a post that you'd like to remix, click the little dots bottom right and it will give you the option to remix this post. When you click that link like this, a new post will open up with the account on one half of the screen, and you will be able to do your video on the other half of the screen. Now, my top tips for you are to record the reel and save it in your camera roll before you open up the remix feature. So it's already there waiting. Click the remix feature, the new post will appear and you'll be able to tap your camera roll and add your video. So it's at the side of that original post. You'll click the arrow and you're ready to go. Now, if you want to get more traction in the newsfeed, I would suggest using stickers. I love the flame stickers like this. You could actually add a funny caption. Remember, quite center it towards the middle of the post so that when people are scrolling through the newsfeed, they'll see your caption. They'll click on it, the music will play, the reel will play, and people will leave a comment because it's engaging, it's interesting, and it's different. And of course, if you remix other people's reels, you're able to share that to your stories, save it, and then share it on your main feed. So that gives you more content to use and repurpose on your own feed. So my challenge to you is find a challenge, remix it, post it to your feed, add a great caption. You can put hashtags in the first comment and away you go. Remember to copy the link, share it to all your other social media platforms, including Facebook and Pinterest, your WhatsApp groups and your Twitter, to enable the maximum amount of exposure on that post. Let me know in the comments if this is helpful, and if you need any help or advice around your Instagram and growing your fitness Instagram, leave a message or a comment on my latest post, and I'll happily head over to your Instagram and leave you some feedback.